This video tutorial I will explain fill method of arrays class which accept object array from index to index and the value. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the object array. It has 4 integer objects. Then I am displaying the object array content. Then I am calling fill method of arrays class and passing object array from index as 0, which is this position, and from index is inclusive, and to index as 3, which is this position, and to index is exclusive, and value to be filled as integer object 8. What this fill method will do is it fill the object array content with integer object 8 in this range. After fill method is called, I am displaying the object array content, and here you can see this range of values are filled with integer object 8. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.